And our stint on the Harrogate line continues with our first ever stint at Weeton. And to kick things off, we see departure of 170-472, working the 1019 Northern service from Leeds through to York. Arriving next into the station is 170-457, working the 1030 Northern service from York through to Leeds. Next out to depart is 158-870, working the 1049 Northern service from Leeds through to York. I'm sorry, but that's naughty. Arriving next into the station will be 174-78, working the 11 o'clock Northern service from Leeds, York through to Leeds. Fuck's sake. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 170-457, working the 1119 Northern service from Leeds through to York. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.